Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to review two pairs of PUMA shoes or PUMA shoes. I searched on Google. Some are pronounced like PUMA or some are pronounced as PUMA, so I'm not sure. Now I'm just going to pronounce it like PUMA. If you think I'm wrong, please correct me in the comment section. So I received those two pair of PUMA shoes from agency before they contact me, like maybe a year ago. I didn't have any PUMA shoes, and until they contacted me and they sent me some gifts, I started to love PUMA shoes actually, because I think they're really stylish. I didn't know before. I think they're really stylish and they're really in trend, and I wear them a lot. Either it's for photo shoot or either it's for fashion week or events. So I think that's quite interesting. Maybe I should try the brand earlier. The first one is this one. It's called RS-X. I think this is a new style, new color, because I didn't find this color on their website. But I put link down below of this collection. You can find different colors, but this color is not there. But you can check different colors. This is the gift card from the agency. These are the shoes. I really love the color combination, the blue and the orange, or it's red, I cannot tell, and black, dark blue, and white. It's really cool, and also from this angle it's like really cool. It's so unique. Even from the inside it looks really cool, really young. This is definitely for young people like me who are 15 years old. Actually I'm 25. But I think it's really nice, and I tried them at home. They're really comfortable. If you want to see the photo, definitely follow me on Instagram, and I will definitely wear them a lot. Regardless of the color, the materials also like different kinds of materials. Like this one is leather. The bottom is like really cool style of the sneaker, and the inside is sizing. Because I didn't find the specific color, so I cannot tell the exact price, but the similar style are sold at 80 pounds, but I also found the price on Foot Locker is like 100 pounds, so I'm not sure. But if you want to buy a pair of like affordable sneakers, so I think these ones are really cool and really trendy. The next pair is this one, Fast Rider OG pack. These are running shoes. I did find the link and I put it down below. The price is cheaper than that one. Here's the shoes. It's actually orange and black combination, because maybe because lighting it looks like the color looks different. It's for running. It's more like for professional sports, so they're not that trendy. I personally prefer the other pair because it's for daily life, but for this one I think it's a little bit hard to mix match with my style, but I will try to work it out. And I will also like maybe wear it for when I do some sporting, because currently my finger is still injured, so I cannot do any sport. I can't run, I can't, because it's like running shoes. It's really light. It's really light. It's really light, and the bottom has so many buttons. So how to say that word? I mean, it's really tell me what's the word. You can see there's logo. Inside is also black and orange color. Although these shoes are for sporting, the color is really trendy. Like the neon orange color is really trendy color. But I do think if you want to buy this pair of shoes, you have to be careful. It might be a little bit hard to mix match with your personal style because the color really pops. They also have different colors. You can check the website, but it's a good color. It's just a little bit hard to wear. Just bear that in mind, and you can always return it, right? I think that's for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and also follow my Instagram. See you next time. Bye bye. Love you guys.